Hello students, how are you all? In our previous lecture, we have done with the definition of AI and the various concepts that are being used while using the AI. And now in today's lecture in part 2, we will have a discussion about the real life usage of artificial intelligence. And this real life usage, as we all know, we all are going through with this real life in day to day. And we have various options, various advantages that are being introduced by using AI. So number one is gaming. When we all are playing the games on while using the internet, we all are playing the online games, like we all are using a cricket game, we all are playing a chess. So this feature of AI is very useful for the user. While playing online games, user gains good experience in this AI. The second one is the neural language processing. In this neural language processing, as we all know, we all are using various languages while using Google. We all are using Punjabi, English, Tamil, Urdu, all languages are there. So neural language processing is the ability to understand that languages. So that is why it is called NLP. The short form of this neural language processing is NLP. Then it will also come in one mark question. What is the full form of NLP? NLP means neural language processing. So keep it in a mind as examination point of view. So the third one is the decision making. Decision making is whenever we go through, we have to go through with any project on AI. So before going through with the project, we have similar decisions that how kind of hardware or software we have to use with the project, or what kind of things, what kind of applications in which we are using project, or we are maintaining with the project. So this decision making is diagnosing the patient. For example, if we take example of doctors, as before giving the medicine to a patient, they have to diagnose the patient. So that is known as a decision making. The next one is a vision system. This vision system is very important again in this day-to-day life. Vision is the view. How can we view a thing? How can we view a reality in this world? So vision system introduce industries in registered areas. Like our government is also, whenever we have to start an industry or we have to start a business, it have to be approved from the government. So this vision system it should be, industries should be in a registered area. This is known as a vision system. Then it comes a speech recognition. This is a very important or very useful feature. While we all are using this in a Google, we not need to type a words in a Google while using keyboard. We just have to speak the word, the particular thing which we want to search. With this feature, we can easily get the particular ideas, particular applications, particular documents we need, either in a PDF format or in a Word format. So the next one is, it comes a handwriting recognition. Handwriting recognition is a good advantage, good feature of AI. Through this feature, we are using, dictating a document in our own handwriting, and then it will the same document will be scanned and then it will be interchanged to the computer language. This is an advanced feature of AI. These all features are due to artificial intelligence. Then it comes intelligent robots. Intelligent robots are introduced in our life, in our country and the entire countries also. With the use of these intelligent robots, ability to learn and adapt more things. In previous machines, in previous computers or laptops, we don't have that much of abilities, that much of capabilities to understand, to explain the thing. But while with the introduction of these intelligent robots, we have more and more advancement of these things. Now the robots that are being introduced now, they have the emotions, they have the thinkings, they have the sensors as a human being. So these are known as the intelligent robots, the ability to learn and adapt the more and more things. Then it comes 8th point is the commercial establishments. This is very important point by the AI, through AI and by using the business purposes. We all are dealing with government in big businesses like stock market, like we are developing our own private business. Thus, the commercial establishment depends on the stocks of the country. The stocks may be increase or may be decrease. It affects the government. So this feature of commercial establishment is a big business with government or our private need. Then the next thing is a life-saving AI. Life-saving means as doctors are monitoring the patients in hospitals, in private clinics, that is known as a life-saving AI. Now, why is it called life-saving AI? Life-saving means by the use of artificial intelligence, the life of the people are being saved 24/7. So, as these days we all are affected through COVID-19, and we have to maintain such kind of robots which will prevent us from this COVID-19. So, this is a 24/7 monitoring using sensors. While using these robots, by the use of AI, we can monitor the sensors that occupy COVID-19. So, the next point, 10th point, entertainment AI. Entertaining means we all are using movies, we all are downloading movies, we all are downloading pictures from the internet. We are using the various applications, various sites like Netflix, Hotstar. We all are using these sites to download the pictures. The whatever the new picture is being coming in the market, before coming in the market, we have that advantage. By using the advantage of entertaining AI, we have that movies on our mobile phone. So this is a very good feature of AI. By using all these features, we have many more things, many more establishment in the life to be done. So best of luck.